Hello friends, welcome to Manmeda channel. Today we are going to explore 28 states of India and their capitals. Are you ready for this journey? Let's begin. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati, a planned city on the banks of Krishna River. Amaravati is said to be a major center of administration and development. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar, surrounded by beautiful hills. Itanagar is famous for its Buddhist temples and tribal heritage. The capital of Assam is Dispur, located in Guwahati. Dispur is known for its tea gardens, Brahmaputra River, and culture. The capital of Bihar is Patna, one of the oldest cities in India. Patna has a rich history and was an important learning center in ancient India. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur, an industrial hub. Raipur is known for its steel plants, temples, and beautiful natural surroundings. Thanks for playing. How many did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun puzzles. See you next time.